first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky, the planets align.
Ng 12 years nating paghihintay kay Bebe. Hindi ko rin talaga inakalang, matutuloy pa to si Bebe kasi it's been 12 years. And God's grace, eto, nandito na tayo with our baby, celebrating her first birthday.
Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun.
Happy birthday, Chestnut! God bless you!
I just wanna stay until the morning sun.
I just wanna tell Chestnut siguro na she's really the best gift that we've ever received.
Bebe, thank you kasi ginawa mo kaming parents after 12 years. Kala namin hindi na kami magiging parents, pero dahil mo, nakakapag-celebrate na kami ng Mother's Day sa Father's Day.
Found you here, 'cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun.
Chestnut, sino maganda? Taas kamay! Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Dada. Ikaw yung nilook forward namin lagi tuwing gabi pag matutulog na. At yung sobrang pinaka-excited na namin na gisingan kasi lagi ka nakasmile. Gagawin namin lahat ng kaya namin gawin para mabigyan ka ng ayos na buhay. Hindi para maging spoiled, kundi para makapagbigay ka rin sa ibang tao, ha? Kasi yun yung ating yun yung ating gusto. Yung habang binibigyan tayo ni Lord, ay nagbibigay din tayo sa iba. Ha, Bebe? Lagi lang kami nandito ni Dada. Hindi matatapos yung lahat ng sasabihin namin sa'yo kasi hanggat buhay kami, may sasabihin kami. At yun ay sasabihin namin na mahal ka namin at lagi ka namin sa supportahan. Kaya, papakabait ka, hawak ka daw muna mag-boyfriend, sabi ni Dada. Hanggang 25. Yun lang, Bebe. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Love na love ka ni Daddy at saka ni Mommy. We want to give you the best that we can possibly give you and continue to be God-fearing, and Mama and Dada will always be here for you. We'll do everything we can to give you the best life that we can possibly give you.
Tunay nga na si Bebe Chestnut ay regalo sapagkat ang sabi ng awit 127 verse 3, kaloob nga ni Yahweh itong ating mga anak, ang ganitong mga supling pagpapalang mayroong galak.
We love you, Bebe. We love you so much.
Papa Jesus loves you. Dada loves you. Mama loves you. We all love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Morning sun. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together.
Happy birthday, Chestnut! Happy birthday, Chestnut! I love you!
Together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide.